Assalamu alaikum, this is Atiqa from Hijab Shack, and today I'm going to show you how to wear the Atiqa Hijab. So first, I like to do is I just kind of hold it in place and I find the tops of both of the slots and make sure that they're even and that I get a good point that I like. You can also do it without any pins. I just prefer having a pin because I don't like to touch my scarf while I'm working. And there's a couple different ways you can wear this one. I prefer doing this. So I just let it hang here and I put a pin in again. Right over here. Just because I really like to make sure my scarf is secure. It's great for when I'm wearing masks because it's cooling and it gets really hot. But it also is super easy to get in your mask. So you can literally just slide it in over here. And it just sits nice and well. You can also slide in your stethoscope at the same time, no problem. It's all covered, no hair, no skin. It slides right out, which is great, so you're not constantly touching your dirty mask or anything. This hijab is super cooling, comes in a bunch of different colors. It's just looks professional, crisp and clean, even though you wash it several times, which is really nice. So, thank you.